Hare Krishna. Just like everything has a special essence, like a gun has to have a bullet, without which the gun is useless. Similarly, Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Namakshara Bahahaya, Nama Nahi Haya. One place he says that Akshara, Nama Akshara actually means chanting Hare Krishna mantra. But Nama Nahi Haya, he says, which means the holy name has not happened by the chanter, he says. Why? He says there is a possibility that the spirit is lacking, which is the essence of the calling out of the holy name. Just like if I ask someone, please bring me a Bisleri bottle. They bring me a bottle, but there is no water inside. They have brought the bottle, same bottle what I asked for, but the essence is missing in that. So in the same manner, he says that the holy name should spring from the heart of the chanter, permeate the whole body, and dance in the tongue of an offenseless chanter. And it should break through the material coverings and go to the spiritual plane where the holy name will meet the Lord and evoke the presence of the Lord in the heart and life of the chanter. Just like Gajendra, when he was caught by a crocodile, the elephant Gajendra loudly called out the Lord's name. Evam javasito buddhya samadhaya manohridi jajapa paramam japyam prag janmani anushikshitam. It is said, Evam javasito buddhya means with a one-pointed intelligence. Samadhaya means in absorption. There are three stages: dharana, dhyana, samadhi. Dharana means to hold the holy name in the mind. Dhyana means to focus on the holy name. And samadhi means to absorb on the holy name. So these are increasing levels of remembrance of the Lord. So when we hold the holy name for a prolonged period of time, then gradually the focus comes. When we get the focus, eventually absorption comes. So he was completely absorbed in remembrance of the Lord and became oblivious to the external world. Evam javasito buddhya samadhaya mano hridi, with his mind and heart. Jajapa paramam japyam. Paramam japyam means like Lord's holy name, Supreme Lord's holy name. He didn't call anyone else. Although many other devatas, demigods were hovering in the sky, he did not seek their shelter. He only sought the shelter of the Supreme Lord, having firm faith that Lord alone can deliver the jiva from this world. Prag janmani anushikshitam, from the previous life where he was a devotee as an Indradumna king. Now that recollection of that came. Therefore, his devotional service continued from previous life to this life. Especially in that traumatic situation, he remembered the Lord and he called. So, when somebody calls the Lord's name helplessly, inoffensively, without any kind of motivation in the heart, with the only desire to please the Lord and serve the Lord and love the Lord, then the Lord's presence is immediately evoked by such calling of the holy name. So in our stage of devotional service, Prabhupada said, while chanting the holy name, we should remember this verse. Ainandatanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam budhau kripaya tava pada pankajastita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Oh, my dear Lord Krishna, son of Nanda, somehow or other I have fallen into this ocean of birth and death. Please pick me up from this ocean of death and place me at your lotus feet as one of the millions of devotees who are eternally serving you. Accept me. Purify me, uplift me, accept me. This is the mood, background mood in which the holy name should be chanted. And if it is chanted in the mood of a child calling for the mother, the chanting will definitely take effect. And Prabhupada practically proved it in New York, Tompkinson Square Park. Many of the hippies who were present there, by the chant of the pure devotee Srila Prabhupada, it had a profound effect on them and their hearts got purified and they became exalted and elevated by chanting of the holy name. So every morning, we are all given an opportunity for a couple of hours to withdraw our consciousness from the worldly encumbrances, at least for those 2 hours, and fully focus and absorb our consciousness in pleading the Lord for shelter, requesting Him to accept us in His eternal service, and understanding our precarious position in this dangerous material world. With that consciousness, when we call, definitely Lord's response will come. Tap the door and it shall be opened, it is said. When the prayers go up, then blessings will come down. Similarly, the loud call of the jiva is never neglected by the Lord. Just as a mother will never neglect the call of a crying of a child. Harinam Prabhu ki, Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki. Thank you very much.
Radheshyam Prabhu ki.
Srila Prabhupada.